55 tips that can help you reduce belly fat. 1. Avoid stress. Our bodies produce hormones in response to stress, research has found. One of these is cortisol. It will push your body to look for high-calorie food because it thinks it used a lot of its energy handling something that was stressful. It's kind of like tricking your body into thinking it's had a big workout, when in fact, it's done nothing but become anxious and upset. Years ago, eating that type of high-calorie food was fine when you were stressed, because you used more energy every day working in the fields or on farms. Our ancestors remained thin during stressful times because of their hard work. Now, many of us live more sedentary lives. We simply can't burn that type of fat intake any longer. When you're under a large amount of chronic stress, it signals your body to keep on making cortisol. It becomes a vicious cycle. Gaining weight makes you even more stressed, so you produce more cortisol and eat more fattening foods. You can reduce stress by doing several things. You can get more sleep. The average adult should get at least 7 hours of sleep a night. You should keep things that are stressful away from the area you use for sleeping. Don't do work in bed if you can help it. That area should be for relaxation and rest instead of work. Simply work at leaving your worries outside the bedroom door. You should also set aside some time to relax each day. By closing your eyes, breathing deeply, and forgetting your worries for a brief period, even if it's only 15 minutes a day, you can help reduce stress. 55 tips that can help you reduce belly fat.